Keto Diet, a complete list of what to eat and avoid, plus a 7-day sample menu. Here's a primer. The ketogenic diet is an eating plan that drives your body into ketosis, a state where the body uses fat as a primary fuel source, instead of carbohydrates, says Stacy Madison, RDN, who is based in Austin, Texas. During the diet, the majority of calories you consume come from fat, with a little protein and very little carbohydrates. If you're looking to get a jump start on your health and fitness goals this year, you may be thinking about trying the ketogenic diet. Ketosis also happens if you eat a very low-calorie diet. Think doctor-supervised, medically recommended diets of 600 to 800 total calories per day. Ketogenic diets will cause you to lose weight within the first week, says Madison. One downside to the ketogenic diet for weight loss is that it's difficult to maintain. While you may be eating more satiating fats, like peanut butter, regular butter, or avocado, you're also way more limited in what's allowed on the diet, which can make everyday situations, like eating dinner with family or going out with friends, far more difficult. If you've decided to move forward in trying the keto diet, you will want to stick to the parameters of the eating plan. That means you'll eat meats, fats, and oils, and a very limited amount of non-starchy vegetables, she says. The remaining calories in the keto diet come from protein, about 1 gram, g, per kilogram of body weight, so a 140-pound woman would need about 64 grams of protein total. As for carbs, every body is different, but most people maintain ketosis with between 20 and 50 grams of net carbs per day, says Madison. Meaning, if you eat something as small as a serving of blueberries, your body could revert to burning carbohydrates for fuel rather than fat. Get more keto diet meal prep tips. It's so important to know what foods you'll be eating before you start, and how to incorporate more fats into your diet, says Kristen Moncinelli, RD, author of The Ketogenic Diet, a scientifically proven approach to fast, healthy weight loss, who is based in New York City. Liberally ketogenic diets aren't high in protein, they focus on fat, so these should all be consumed in moderation. The following are some of the best foods to eat on the keto diet, along with their serving sizes and an explanation of why they're good for people who follow this eating approach. Per 1 tablespoon, TBSP, serving 124 calories, 0 grams net carbs, 0 grams protein, 14 grams fat. Benefits: this is a good source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fatty acids. Benefits: while high in saturated fat, coconut oil may increase good HDL cholesterol levels. Per 1 tablespoon serving 52 calories, 0 grams net carbs, 0 grams protein, 5 grams fat. Benefits: this is an easy way to add calories and fat into a ketogenic diet. Per 1 slice serving 43 calories, 0 grams net carbs, 3 grams protein, 3 grams fat. Benefits: the green light on bacon may be one reason you're up for sticking to the diet, as it can make eating occasions more enticing. Per 1 thigh serving 318 calories, 0 grams net carbs, 32 grams protein, 20 grams fat. Per 1 egg serving 77 calories, 1 gram net carbs, 6 grams protein, 5 grams fat. Benefits: eggs contain the perfect duo of satiating protein and fat, they're also high in the antioxidant mineral selenium. Per 3 ounce, Oz, serving, measure draw, 279 calories, 0 grams net carbs, 12 grams protein, 24 grams fat. Per 3 ounces serving 224 calories, 0 grams net carbs, 22 grams protein, 14 grams fat. Benefits: you'll get an impressive amount of muscle building protein plus satiating fat in this option. Benefits: asparagus contains bone building calcium, plus other minerals, such as potassium and magnesium, which has been linked with blood sugar regulation. Per half avocado serving 160 calories, 2 grams net carbs, 2 grams protein, 15 grams fat. Benefits: the creamy fruits are packed with fiber, something that you may lack on the keto diet. The ketogenic diet can result in fast weight loss, but it isn't for everyone. Benefits: Chinese cabbage is a rich source of vitamins A and C, and offers some calcium and energy-boosting iron. Benefits: provides more than 3/4 of your vitamin C quota in a day, with 3 grams of fiber. It's also a good source of the heart-healthy nutrient. Per 1 cup, sliced, serving 18 calories, 2 grams net carbs, 1 gram protein, 0 grams fat. Per 1 cup, shredded, serving 5 calories, 1 gram net carbs, 0 grams protein, 0 grams fat. Benefits: leafy greens can add bulk to your meals for very few calories, as well as skin strengthening vitamin A and vitamin C. Per 1 cup, raw, serving 15 calories, 1 gram net carbs, 2 grams protein, 0 grams fat. Per 1 cup, sliced, raw, serving 18 calories, 3 grams net carbs, 1 gram protein, 0 grams fat. Benefits: this is a great way to sneak in additional fiber, and the veggie also offers a good source of manganese, a mineral that helps form bone and aids in blood sugar control. Breakfast: scrambled eggs and butter on a bed of lettuce topped with avocado. Snack: plain, full-fat Greek yogurt topped with crushed pecans. Snack: smoothie made with almond milk, greens, almond butter, and protein powder. Breakfast smoothie made with almond milk, greens, almond butter, and protein powder. Dinner: grilled shrimp topped with a lemon butter sauce with a side of asparagus. Lunch: grass-fed burger in a lettuce bun topped with avocado and a side salad. Fresh, high-fat avocados and low-carb berries, not to mention nuts and other unprocessed foods, can break the bank, especially if they're not already part of your budget.